Today on CJ Off-Road, I'm going to show you how to mount a set of cube lights onto your 2018 to 19 JL Wrangler. Now, as you know, the 2018 to 19 JL Wranglers didn't come equipped with the same windshield frame that the JK did, making it a little bit trickier to mount up some lights. Now, today we're going to be looking at the ZROADZ LED cube light bracket. This is going to fit 18 to 19 JL Wranglers and allow you to mount a small cube light onto the outside of your windshield. The only two bolts that you need to remove are this one Torx bolt in the back and then your windshield frame bolt right here. Jeep does include the Hardtop removal tool, which includes both the right size sockets, so you don't need to source anything else to get these mounted up. Now I'm gonna get some stuff pulled off, show you how these mount up, and get started. So we're gonna remove this bolt here as well as the one going in through here. Grab your factory Jeep Torx bit kit and get these removed. I'm gonna pull them off, sit it right on my cowl panel there. And then just grab this lower one here. Get that pulled off as well. They come out pretty easily. Now this rear bolt that we pulled off from the bottom here, you're not going to be reusing this. The kit includes a standoff as well as some new hardware, so you can toss this aside. You won't be reinstalling it. This one that goes on the windshield here though, you will reuse, so make sure you save it. So the first thing you want to do is grab the standoff here as well as the bolt and washer. Now this standoff is a piece of anodized black aluminum that we're going to set right into place there. And then you're going to grab your bracket and orient it like this. They are side specific, so you're going to put it on exactly like this. Put your bolt with washer and get it started in that hole. And then on the back, you're going to start your windshield bolt back into place. So I'm going to get that one snugged up. And then for this, you're going to use a 4mm Allen key to get this tightened up. We've got it on a socket here to make things a little bit quicker. Just get that snugged up. Then we're going to get this windshield bolt tightened up as well. Last thing to do is get this piece tightened up here. Now the last thing to do is figure out what type of light you want to run on here. Here at CJ's, we offer a wide variety. We even compared a ton of different LED lights to figure out which one is right for you. You can go on our YouTube and find that exact video. Check that out and make sure you find the exact light for your JL Wrangler. We also offer wiring kits as well as all the installational how-tos, exactly how to get these lights mounted up onto your Jeep. Now if you want to find these ZROADZ brackets as well as a ton of other great parts and info about your JL, be sure to stop by at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.